Have you ever wondered about the true nature of Jesus Christ and the Word of God? This question has intrigued countless individuals throughout history, sparking a myriad of interpretations and perspectives. Today we'll be exploring the first chapter of John's Gospel, a text renowned for its profound insights into the identity of Jesus Christ, the Word of God. This Gospel presents a remarkable vision of Jesus as the eternal Word, the divine essence that existed before all creation and through which everything came into being. The Word, John tells us, became flesh in the person of Jesus Christ, living among us and revealing the glory of God. But what does this all mean? How does this concept of the Word influence our understanding of Jesus and our faith? Let's delve into the profound insights that John 1 offers us. In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. What does this profound verse tell us? As we delve into these opening lines of John chapter 1, we uncover a wealth of wisdom about the eternal nature of God. The Word as referenced here is no mere idea or divine edict. It is the personification of God Himself, existing from the very start, before all creation. This Word is eternal, transcending time and space, a testament to God's unchanging and everlasting nature. Now let's consider the role of the Word in creation. The verse tells us, "All things were made through Him, and without Him nothing was made that was made." Here we see the Word as the divine instrument through which all of the universe came into being. This understanding of the Word deepens our perception of God, His eternity, and His creative power. The Word is not just a concept, but a divine person. The Word became flesh and dwelt among us, revealing an astounding truth. Imagine the divine, the eternal, the Word stepping into time, taking on flesh, and living among humanity. This is the profound mystery we encounter in John 1:14. The Word, Jesus Christ, bridged the vast expanse between God and man. He wasn't a distant deity, but God up close, personal, living and breathing among us. He walked our roads, felt our joys and sorrows, and experienced life as we do, yet without sin. In beholding His glory, we catch a glimpse of the divine splendor that is God. This glory was not a flash of light or a spectacular display, but grace and truth personified. Grace that loves unconditionally, forgives unreservedly, and gives generously. Truth that stands firm, unchanging and absolute, guiding us in a world of shifting shadows. In Jesus, we see the Word, the glory of the Father, full of grace and truth. The light shines in the darkness, and the darkness did not comprehend it. What does this mean for us? Let's delve into the depths of this profound verse, John 1:5. Picture a world enveloped in spiritual obscurity, a world yearning for illumination. This is where Jesus, the Word, steps in, shining as a beacon of hope. The light represents truth, grace, and all that is pure and holy, while darkness symbolizes ignorance, despair, and sin. Jesus, as the Word, embodies this light, piercing the impenetrable gloom with His divine radiance. He is the beacon guiding us through the murkiness of life's trials and tribulations. Yet the darkness did not comprehend this light. It signifies the inability of worldly wisdom and human understanding to fully grasp the divine essence of Jesus, reinforcing the need for divine revelation. It's a poignant reminder of our human limitations and the necessity for spiritual enlightenment. In a world shadowed in spiritual darkness, Jesus, the Word, is our shining light. So what does all this mean for us? The Word of God, as we've discovered, carries profound significance, both a divine concept and personified in Jesus Christ. The Word embodies the eternal nature of God. It was through the Word that God breathed life into our universe, setting stars in the sky and crafting the earth beneath our feet. But the Word didn't remain aloof in the cosmos. It took on human form in Jesus Christ, living among us, revealing God's glory and demonstrating grace and truth in action. In a world often shrouded in spiritual darkness, Jesus, the Word, shines as a beacon of hope. These truths remind us that we're not alone in our journey. The Word of God is a guide illuminating our path and offering us hope. As we lean into the Word, we draw closer to Christ, and His light shines through us, dispelling the darkness in our lives and the world around us. May the light of the Word continue to shine brightly in our lives, dispelling the darkness around us.